New project, I present you a Jaguar F-Type SVR.
And don't we all remember this review in Top Gear?
And aggressive as well. Snarly. Angry.
And then this review was about an F-Type R, a step lower than the SVR. So giving an R to special vehicle operations. That's what they done 10 years ago, where Jaguar introduced the SVR. So yeah, wouldn't it be a waste to let a car like this disappear to scrap?
I came across it a long time ago while we were still working on the Mazda actually. They are quite a rarity.
Well, only 1875 have been produced and 828 of those went to the US. So yeah.
Especially in the Netherlands because of very high tax rate for, well, emission. If this got your attention, subscribe to my channel, like the video. It's free for you guys, helps me a lot. Thank you.
So here you can see one F-Type, an SVR in Holland. So the catalog price was 230,000 euros and the tax rate is 60,000 euros. This is emission based. Comparable prices in Holland, they cost around 100,000 euros and this one even has more kilometers. Looking through all of Europe, quite honestly, we see the same. With the cheapest one, yeah, going for around 60, but that was also a pre-damaged one I found. And all the other ones, well, 70, 80, 90,000 euros. And especially, well, with low mileage. And before 2019.
Because this is a 5-liter V8 supercharged engine which produces 575 horsepower because it's a SVR. It's very complete, or well, it was. There's quite something missing and damaged, but yeah, you need to start somewhere. Let's have a closer look at the car. This F-Type actually did add a carbon package which involved these grids, and on the front it had one of these carbon splitters, wing mirrors in carbon. A few things are still there, so they are missing right now. I still have the rear spoiler, it's damaged, but I think repairable. So that's good. I still have this cap, which is also of carbon, and later on we'll show the price if I need to buy it new. It's this cap, but I still have it.
This vent finisher is how they call it, from carbon on an SVR costs 1,270 euros.
Interior wise, it's quite stunning. It's such a nice car actually to be in. The seats, etc., ventilated, leather, SVR, as you can see. For the rest, this car is from 2018. It only ran, quite shockingly, I thought it was 25, it's been a while ago now, 26,000 kilometers. This car is like mint. Only the damage, of course, but for the rest of it, it's very, very new. I'm sure the previous owner really, yeah, had a sad moment of life when he crashed this car. As you can see, yeah, I'm missing a wheel. I do still have it, but it's here. It doesn't seem repairable. As you can see, it's completely dented in. There's a small hole in here. So yeah, I need new wheels, and yeah, the mufflers are gone. They got pulled off during the crash, but I still have them. They are damaged, but we think repairable. We're always optimistic, you know. And I really hope they are repairable because they are titanium actually. The SVR comes with a full titanium exhaust mid-pipe, or it was a combination alloy. But a large part of it is titanium. So, well, they are expensive.
Well, 7,500 euros for the left-hand side, 8,000 euros for the right-hand side, and 2,000 euros for the mid-pipe.
I do still have the rear diffuser. So yeah, these were all things which make me like, yeah, I think it's doable actually. And we are quite convinced because a lot of parts are exchangeable between the F-types. So I did a lot of pre-research. Yeah, you have to, otherwise you need to knock on the door of Jaguar and buy everything new, which I want to avoid. But yeah, it's really cool. It's really cool. Airbags went off. Dashboard airbag went off, which is a shame because we need to remove the dashboard then. The roof airbag went off, and this seat airbag also went off. And of course, the seat belts are activated. So yeah, this is going to be a full rebuild, which I'm really looking forward to. Together with my dad. He enjoys it, well, the same amount as I do. Yeah, it's such a stunning car. We did hear it running from a video. And when we picked it up, it came from Germany actually, so it's not a Dutch car.
Here my dad, we picked it up ourselves from Germany on a borrowed car trailer, and there it was in a temporary warehouse.
The whole radiator pack has been pushed in, so yeah, the radiator pack is done. We need a new one. Only, for what it seems, the supercharged cooler up front here is still intact, which is quite expensive. But this radiator pack is pushing, or well, yes or no, against the auxiliary belt. So I don't really like to start it. We might do in the when we got it in our garage, when we kind of, well, pulled it a bit out so nothing blows up. So I read the instruction manual, which is quite impressive for a man, of course. Apparently there's underneath here this small clip pushed on here, and this is actually the link to get it from the, it should be from the brakes, and to get it in free gear. So in theory it should be in neutral right now. Let's see. Or yeah, I didn't lower it high enough. Only the rear is now, but I think that's park brake.
Well, at least we could move the front wheels. The rear was already an issue, of course, with a missing wheel. But reinforcements arrived with their new Mazda.
We're now in front of the garage. Forklift. Pallet lift. It's all stuck, so I'm going to try it, get it from the steering lock. So we can turn the wheel a little and try to divert it in here. In the length, the forklift is not heavy enough, so we're going to see.
I'm only going to show this part because it was at least an hour work. Moving it up, down, with the jack, with the forklift, pushing it, etc. Having a gravel driveway is not helpful.
Okay, the car is in. To make our life a little bit easier, I went shopping on a marketplace. So, I got a scissor lift. It's an Italian one, ravioli. Ravioli. From now on we're getting help from ravioli. But yeah, it's quite big. It's one piece. I can't lift it myself. We managed to get the car in, of course. So I need to adapt and conquer. I got these wheel trolleys. So for now I'm going to put each wheel, or well, 3 wheels and 1 piece of frame on these trolleys. Push the car sort of in diagonally so I can get the ravioli in so we can use it for this project car. It's going to make our life so much easier. So yeah, is it going to work? I don't know. We're going to try it. Yeah, going to try.
So that's jacking up all 4 corners, putting the trolley on, lowering it, and that's it. I should have gotten these probably when we moved the car in, but well, now they're on.
The question is, does it really move?
Esme came to the rescue, and together we pushed the Jag around the garage, quite easily actually. After a bit of pushing, we got the car in the position we wanted, so we could move the scissor lift in, which worked really good.
We have a coffee table.
Eventually, with a bit of teamwork and pushing around, we got the Jaguar on the scissor lift. Really happy with that.
Success, it's in its place. The Jaguar is in the garage on the scissor lift. It's keeping it up, it's working great. I hope, well, you enjoyed the video so far. Please subscribe to the channel, like the video, it's free for you guys, helps me a lot. Come and join me on this whole rebuild journey. We're going to need at least a new wheel and probably a lot more parts, which is going to be quite an adventure also. So yeah, my dad is going to be involved and we're going to have so much fun together rebuilding this, well, majestic car. So yeah, see you next time and thank you for watching this first episode on this beautiful Jag.
I have a dream, that's all I need. I'll make it happen with some work and belief. Know what I want, so I'll take it on. I've made mistakes, but mistakes make you strong.